Protecting our environment and future against the plastic hazard and pollution has become one of the biggest challenges for the mankind. Today, we're going to discuss about 5 great inventions that are the environmental saviors and protecting our mother nature against the climate change and environmental pollution. Number 1. Edible spoons. Tossing a plastic spoon or a fork into the trash after using it once is not just acceptable. Many scientists and experts have estimated that over 40 billion pieces of plastic cutlery end up as waste each year, which is approximately 5.2 times of human beings on this planet. And recycling is one of the biggest tasks for mankind, which isn't happening perfectly either. Even if we are successful in recycling them, the harmful phthalates, chelates, bisphenols in them can kill us by causing cancer. Like every problem can be solved, Narayana Pesapati from Hyderabad has solved this problem by inventing edible spoons and cutlery made of jowar, ginger, cinnamon, and few more spices. These spoons are biodegradable and can be stored for 3 years. Apart from that, each spoon is as healthy as jowar roti, which makes his invention save our environment by reducing the use of plastic and can also provide us good health and immunity. Number 2. The sea bin. In the present time, around 8 million metric tons of plastic waste is present in our seas and oceans and makes up 80% of all marine debris from surface waters to deep water sediments, and globally 100 million marine animals die each year from plastic waste alone. 100,000 marine animals die from getting entangled in plastic yearly. This is just the creatures we know. 1 in 3 marine mammal species get found entangled in litter. 2 to 14,000 tons of plastic are ingested by North Pacific fish yearly. And most shocking fact is that this plastic continent lying between California and Hawaii, the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, is 3 times the size of France and is world's biggest ocean waste repository with 1.8 billion pieces of floating plastic. Now, 2 surfers from Australia say that they may have solution. Peter Cheglinski and Andrew Turton have invented a device they call the sea bin. The sea bin works similarly to a filter. Picture a submerged cylinder with upper opening just below the water surface. An electric pump draws water through the bottom of the cylinder, creating a vortex around the upper edge that pulls in water and floating plastic. A bag filter made of natural material like coffee sack collects trash and allows water to pass through. Till date, Cheglinski and Turton have raised $267,000 in an Indiegogo campaign to help build the device, and recently signed a contract with French company Puralu Marine, which will take over manufacturing, which can help in our oceans and save us and aquatic animals from dangerous plastic garbage. Number 3. Ide Energy Portable Hydraulic Turbine. We estimate that 1.4 billion individuals across the world are without electricity, most living in rural and distant areas inaccessible to national or regional electricity grid. The most common energy solution available is use of gas generators, which are polluting and can be expensive to maintain in the long term. As an alternative, the use of green technologies is rapidly growing. Renewable energy solutions are gaining popularity, especially in residential market. Billions of dollars are invested every year on solar and wind systems. However, these renewable energy products do not represent optimal solutions for meeting individual needs due to intermittent production of energy, resulting in weather variations. In consequence, these systems are only used 12 to 35% of their capacity, implicating an oversizing of installations and storage systems to accumulate the energy when produced. However, one regular and predictable energy source is unexploited: the river. A Canadian company has created a turbine that makes green energy for your home using river perpetual flow. Ide Energy's river turbine can create energy up to 12 kilowatts hour per day, which is enough to power a home, which run when it is kept in the flowing water stream or a river and can be carried everywhere wherever you go. Number 4. Aloe Cell. Guys, here is another amazing green technology of battery, which is made up of aloe vera, yes, which is environment friendly. This fabulous technology of aloe based products are produced by a great Indian startup called Aloe Cell. The dry cells and lithium-ion batteries have tendency to catch fire and are dangerous as it contains toxic substances like zinc, magnesium, cadmium, and lithium salts or electrolytes. Most batteries are discarded after single use, and this creates a ton of solid waste. The traditional batteries might leak and catch fire when transported without much care. When we compare the aloe-based battery with traditional battery, aloe-based batteries are 10% cheaper to dry cell or lithium ion and 1.5 times more durable. Number 5. The water lily turbine. While an outdoor adventure is a great time to switch off from digital world, the modern mountaineer or connected camper might still want to send some snaps to social media. Battery life usually limits that luxury, but there's a 10th load of gadgets you could take with you to top up your devices, and now there's a new one vying for room in your backpack. C4Matic's Water Lily is a portable turbine that can harness power from both wind and water. Such a great invention, right? That's it for today. Thanks for watching our video. If you like our content, then hit a like, subscribe to our channel and share our video. And don't forget to suggest us the next topic in the comment section below.